Well, this is the third day. Right now is the time to actually see something from Sevilla. The weather is awesome. It's like 17 degrees Celsius. As you can see, I'm wearing a tank top and shorts. Friends also. And everybody around is wearing basically like winter clothes, like coats and stuff like this. And we are probably the only ones who are actually walking around like this. This is January, by the way. Yeah, I guess that's the intro. Let's go. It's a very good thing to buy. It costs like 4 euros. In the supermarket it's filled with chicken. It's called empanada. I've already taken some bites out of it. We finally get to see the Plaza España in like daylight. And logically there are like so many people are like over here. It's not going to be empty. So it looks like every town or like major town has a emblem over here. Plaza España was very nice. It was a bit crowded, but it was like okay, expectable. However, right now we've got like 15 minutes to get to the cathedral. Let's not miss it, because we can actually have a very nice view of Sevilla, in case, I mean, we can actually get there, right? So we've gotten here just in time to be able to enter. I suppose we'll go just right over there, which will definitely offer some very nice views. Alright, we are inside. Just had to pass like this ticket inspection, that's it. You also need to show your student cards and ID cards, and this is how it looks like inside. I mean,
Aj, tak to nemám čo.
rýchlo preč. Okay,
vždycky říká, že
it's probably going to take some time until we get up, but it's not going to be like stairs, it's like this, so it's a bit easier to walk up.
Voila.
And we are up. Now just to find the spot. Look at that bell, like how big it is. This is what I usually get when I'm in Spain or Portugal. It's very good, I like it a lot. And yeah, I guess it's probably going to be it from this trip. I enjoyed it very much. I enjoyed having this warm temperature in January. So thank you for watching, and I hope to catch you on my next trips. Take care.
Bom.
A koniec. A to.